So to start off the process, head into the settings of your smartphone and search for Android Auto. Once you open up the Android Auto, head down and click on the version number. If you click multiple times on the version number, it will give you a pop-up showing you allow developmental settings. Just click on the OK button. Then click on the three dotted button on top of the screen and click on developer settings. So once you enter the developer settings, scroll down and you have to check the box where it says unknown sources. Just check on it. So just enable that particular option and you can just head back. Once you're done, open up the Google Chrome and type in AA browser GitHub. So once you search for that, the first option that comes up, just click on it. Scroll down. Now nearly at the bottom of the page, you'll find the option version 2.0. So just click on that. Then you have the AA browser 2.0 APK. Click on it. Then click on download anyway. Now the APK file will be downloaded to your smartphone. You can check the status of the download within the notification. So once the download is complete, click on the package installer and click on just once. You can then head into the settings and allow permission. Then click on the install button. Then click on done. So let's just enable the location and enable Bluetooth. So now it says it's connected and you can see Android Auto has started up on my car system. And let's head to the home page. And within the home page, you can see the apps all arranged in the home screen and within which you find the AA browser right here. So you get the same notification of the AA browser even in the car display. Just click on got it and just click on the OK button, and within the AA browser, as you can see right here, you get direct access to YouTube. You also get Google, Twitch, Kick, weather.com. Basically this is a Android Auto browser, so you can browse basically anything. So if you just click on the YouTube icon, it's going to derive the data connection from your smartphone and run YouTube on your car system. Now that's a great thing. So let's just search for something. Let's search for Gizmobeep. So this is it right here, YouTube running on my Android car screen. The speed is also quite good. Basically the speed is depending on your mobile data speed. So that's about it. And here is the video currently playing up within my car system. So YouTube now successfully running in my car system in my Kia Seltos without any extra dongle, without any extra wiring, just your smartphone and your car system. You get instant access to YouTube. So that's it, a very simple and an easy technique. Well, the point to note is that this AA browser for Android Auto works only when your car is parked and does not work when your car is moving or when you put it in a drive mode. That's a safety feature which is inbuilt into this particular browser. So that's a great thing. I really like that because whenever you're relaxing, you stopped your car, you can just watch some YouTube videos. That being said, additionally, this setup does not need any cables, this setup does not need any dongles, no extra stuff, works straight out of the box from your smartphone to your Android car system, or should I say car system which supports an Android Auto. So very simple, very easy technique. You should definitely follow this and make use of having YouTube in your car. And do note that this video has taken a lot of effort to bring in front of you. If you do recognize the effort, if you do make use of this video in your day-to-day life, make sure to subscribe to my channel, make sure to like this video and share this video to the maximum with your all friends who have cars, who want YouTube irrespective of the car they have, irrespective of the kind of model they have. If your car supports Android Auto, wired or wireless, doesn't matter. You can get YouTube, Netflix, Prime, basically anything that runs on a browser, you can get it in your car system. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram page. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.